Good day, everyone. I hope I find you well. On today's video, I am going to show you how I spend my day in the kitchen. It's a mix of all cooking, and I start my day by making homemade apple cider vinegar, homemade kombucha as well, vegetarian schnitzels, and Neapolitan sauce. Usually I make this in 2 weeks to come, so that as time goes on you can just prepare your pasta and then add your Neapolitan sauce. But I kept it in the fridge in a clean jar, preferably a see-through one, a clean see-through jar. So right here I washed my tomatoes, then cut them in small pieces, onion as well. At the same time I was cooking boiled potatoes and preparing kombucha. To those who would like to know on how to make kombucha, I have a video that I posted last time on how to make kombucha. I posted last time, and it just consists of 2 or 3 ingredients. It's just sugar, tea bags, any kind of tea bags that you would like, but I prefer rooibos, South African tea, and water, just water. So kombucha is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help improve digestion. It can relieve digestion issues. If you are having issues with the digestive system, you can try kombucha. I posted a video of it. Go and check on it and share as well. So on this video, I was taking out the tea bags that have been put in the pot, and I have to add sugar when it's cooled down. Right now I'm taking it to the window so that it cools down to the room temperature before I put in a glass jar similar to the one that has got apple cider vinegar there. At the same time I was working on other things as well. Right in the pan there I'm cooking schnitzels. It's a vegetarian schnitzel that I'm cooking right now, and after that I add sugar in an apple cider vinegar jar. Then I add the last time cider vinegar jar that was prepared a month ago. Then I mixed just 1 cup with the new one so that it will be quickly fermented. So that jar I'm taking off to the storeroom so it can stay in a dark, cool place so that it will ferment as soon as possible. So now I'm finished preparing the dinner for today, and the menu goes vegetarian schnitzels, steak, mashed potatoes, and steamed peas. That's what's for dinner today. I hope you like what you're watching. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, comment, and share, and let me know in the comment section what do you think. That's how my day goes, all the way cooking and I enjoy it as well. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and share as well. As I'm peeling the potatoes there, at the same time I'm preparing Neapolitan sauce, and after it has been cooked, I have to put it in a glass jar and place it in the fridge. After I finished with the Neapolitan sauce, I have to mash the potatoes. I just add 1 teaspoon of butter and salt. If you like to know more about healthy cooking, about nutrition, about cooking, about what to cook, what to steam, what to boil, kindly subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.